Hello, and we are back Tuesday, yeah, and we have a job. We have a HP laptop, and the problem with this one, we have no charging light and no life at all. Can press the power, nothing happen. You know, we should have like white light when the laptop is on, and orange light when it's charging, but it's nothing. So this is a dead laptop. I try also to take out the battery, try without the battery. But nothing. Same, no light. Yeah, and no picture on the screen. Nothing. So basically it's that. Okay, so let's open quickly this one and try to find the problem. What can be wrong here? It's not the charging port. The charging port is looking okay, yeah, but the charging port is fine. One second. Okay, let's see. CD drive, it's out. Let's open the laptop. Okay, the back cover is coming out. And that's the laptop. So what do we check first, yeah? Let's plug the charger and check the 19 volts power rail. Charger is plugged. Ground. Let's take any power supply, yeah? Any one. We should have like 19. Okay, maybe I chose the wrong one. You can see a little bit of liquid damage here, rust. Let's get another power supply. 0.8. Okay. The charging voltage 19. So we have 19 on the charging port connection, yeah? We have 19. Okay. Another MOSFET here, 0.8. Okay, the problem is on this side of the port. I can't see my first two MOSFETs because that's what I will check first. Yeah. So we have two MOSFETs on a serial mode. Yeah, are not here. So probably are on the other side of the board. My first two MOSFETs. Because I have 0.8, yeah? So on any power supply, like on this one, we have the coil, we have one MOSFET here, and probably it's one MOSFET on the other side of the board. But we should have, you remember we spoke about the capacitor from the main power rail, you know, on the, you have a few caps there, yeah? Usually these caps go shorted. There's nothing like getting hot. But anyway, I think we have to take out the board to check, because the track from the plus is going on the other side of the board. So I can't check anything from here. Yeah? Maybe it's more liquid damage on the other side. Who knows? But it's not normal to have 0.8 on a power rail which is supposed to be 19. Yeah? So it's supposed to be 19 volts there. So we can have like a shorted power rail, or we can have like a dead MOSFET, or who knows. Okay, the heatsink. You have a ribbon cable here, probably this is from the power button. So there's not even point checking the 3.3 when I don't have the 19, you know, the main one. So what is holding here? Here the fan connector. Okay, that's all, yeah. And I can't see liquid damage here, I can't see. Well, let's check, yeah. So my 19 is coming on this side, here is the charging cable. So probably it's coming on this MOSFET, so probably this one is the first MOSFET. On the input we have 19. On the output we have we have 0.8. So why this? Let me switch on the microscope, yeah? So what we can see here? We can see two MOSFETs in the serial mode, yeah? I think we spoke about this on our motherboard lesson. So this is the first MOSFET, input 4 pins, output 3 pins. From here is going on a second MOSFET, yeah? 3 pins and 4 pins here together, and after that I have the current sensor, current resistor, and from here is my 19 volts power rail, yeah? After the current resistor, yeah? So my problem is we have here, we have 19, and here we have 0.8, and on the gate we have 0.8. So I think this is an N channel MOSFET, and we should have positive voltage on the gate. So I have no idea why we don't have the 19 volts there. But what I will do now, yeah, I'll take out the charger, yeah. So now it's unplugged. I'll come with the power supply, 19 volts, 19, and I will come ground. So this is the, I can't see, this is the power supply probe, yeah. I will come with 19 after the current resistor, just to see if we have any short. And we have no short, yeah. So we can see on the screen it's taking no power at all. So we have no short. Now I don't think the MOSFET is faulty, because we have no voltage on gate. But let's see. Let's take down the MOSFET. Come on. Okay. So the MOSFET is out. Solder iron, which is cold, is not hot yet. Okay, where is my fuse? Let's fit a fuse there, yeah? Proper calibrated fuse. Yeah? Same like with the MacBook. It's not hot yet. Only 300 degrees. Just wait one more second. That is fine, and here is fine. Let's use a fuse here to short the input with the output. Okay, let's plug the charger and check now, yeah? Charger is plugged, and I have, you can't see. Okay, let me switch. Yeah? We have the light on the charger, yeah? So looks like it's working. Let's see if it's working. Maybe it's not working. Now, what's the problem with that MOSFET? You know, why is not open? Well, if you want to be professional, you can check further about that MOSFET. Who knows what is the reason, you know? I don't know, and I don't have time to check. Maybe the global warming, French fries, Coca-Cola. Who knows? If you don't know what those MOSFETs are doing from the input, you better have a look on my motherboard video and lessons and things, yeah? They are important, yeah? But not mandatory. Okay. So your laptop still can live without. Same like with the fuse, yeah? With the fuse, you fit a fuse to protect the system. But actually the fuse is not protecting the thing, and the things get burned. That's what happens most of the time, yeah? The main power transistor or MOSFET or chip or whatever you have there goes shorted. When it goes shorted, the fuse blow up. No point. So same like here, yeah? So don't get this like, sorry, you're very dodgy. By the way, I know that already. You told me on the comments, but it's more to say, you know, just checking to see why that transistor doesn't have power. You need like probably you need like a schematic, and you realize actually you have I don't know, a super IO issue, or I don't even want to know. So that's the thing. I don't even want to know what's the problem. Okay. Okay. Let's see if it's coming on, yeah? Charger. Now the fan is spinning and the laptop is on, yeah? And it's working fine. So it's not necessary like to be a reason why that MOSFET is not open, so the current cannot flow through the MOSFET. Maybe normally it will be to be open, but from some reason, like something burned, or I don't know, from some reason the voltage is not on the gate, so it's missing from there. So obviously the MOSFET is not open. It's still working. Oh, you can't see? It's all fine. Yeah, the mouse working, everything is working fine, yeah. What do I want to check more? I want to check the charging. When we put the screws back. So if we'll be to from on this point here, the job is very cheap. This is proper cheap, this fix. If I will be to search more, and the thing is search more and actually find the problem, and after that you have to spend, I don't know, spend components replacing things to get same result like now. Yeah, so I got this result in 5 minutes. So you will work like probably over 1 hour, you know, just to search a signal why it's missing, and you realize that signal is coming from somewhere, and there should be some condition, you know. But it's complicated. It's a lot more complicated. And you'll find probably some sensor like temperature sensor which is saying the laptop is too hot, or the lead sensor, or I don't know. That's the thing. I don't even want to check, just because it's not bad for me, you know. I don't care. I'm taking same money, you know. I can work all day long on this laptop. It's bad for the customer, because obviously any minute spent on this laptop, it means money, you know. Well, that's the life. What can I do? It's not my show. But that's stupid. If you can fix it like 5 minutes, what's the point spending hours to find? I don't know. It's a little bit stupid for me, you know. If it will be my laptop from my home, probably not. Probably I'll remove the both MOSFETs and I'll make a bridge. Just to be sure my laptop will have exactly the current from the charger. Because on any semiconductor you lose current, you lose voltage, yeah? Not much, a little bit, but you lose because they have an internal resistance. Like MOSFET, probably like 0 point something ohms. So if it will be for me, probably I'll remove the both MOSFETs. But what I'm saying is not even matter, you know, you can put 10 MOSFETs. Still, the laptop will still work fine. Okay? Okay, everything looks fine. Let's plug the battery and see if it's charging. Yeah. So the battery is plugged, charger is plugged, and we have charging light, orange light. Hopefully you can see the orange light, maybe not. It's just a tiny orange light. Probably you can't see it because of this. Yeah, so now you can see it. The orange light, yeah. And when I press the power, she'll get change on white light. Or maybe not. Or maybe not. Maybe the charger is plugged in. It's orange light, yeah. But we can check the charging on Windows. Okay, let's wait. Yeah, it is charging. We can't. Yeah, you can't see here on the corner. Yeah, you can see the battery and yeah. So everything is working fine. So one more time, don't take this wrong. Do whatever you think is right to do. Okay. I'm not responsible for anything. But yeah, if I will have time, probably just for my information, I'll try to find exactly what the fault is. Yeah, just for my knowledge, you know. Okay, so thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one. Yeah, bye.